Today I'm going to show you how to import a list into Propstream in order to get it skip traced. Let's say you have a driving for dollars list or an older list that you got from a data software company that you want to upload, import into Propstream in order to use their skip tracing services. In today's video, I'm going to show you all how to do that, where to go on Propstream in order to get this task done. I'm also going to talk about their new do not call feature and what it enables us to do as account holders. If you all are interested in trying out Propstream, check out my link down below. With my link, you get a 7 free day trial using the platform to see if it's a good fit for your business. So check out the link down below. All right, so now I'm going to share my screen with you all to show you all how to import a list into Propstream and get it skip traced. All right, so first thing I want to talk to you all about, I'm in my Propstream account and I'm on the settings gear tab right here and I'm on add-on services. So in order for you to import a list into Propstream, you have to have the add-on of List Automator right here. So this List Automator allows you to import a list from anywhere into your Propstream account. Also, List Automator kind of filters your current list that you already pulled from Propstream. So let's say you pulled an absentee list, but over a few weeks, a few houses sold. There's just new updates with a specific contact in that list. And so if a contact doesn't fit a criteria anymore, you can just click a button and the List Automator will clean up that list and it will delete the old contacts that no longer fits this specific criteria, or it will even add on new leads that fit your criteria that came over the past few weeks. So it's a really good tool, but in order for you to import a list, you need this. And so it's an add-on service on top of your subscription fee. So it starts at $27 a month for 2,000 contacts. And I'm using the second tier option, which is 50,000 contacts, and that's an extra $47 to my account. But they have a 14-day trial, so you can try it out. Let's say you have a bunch of old lists, maybe within that trial period, you can just upload it and then get it skip traced, and then you'll be good before the trial ends. But if you all are interested, check the link down below. All right, so next I want to talk about this new do not call list scrubbing feature that they have. So essentially, it's included into your subscription. So if you skip trace, which skip tracing is only 12 cents a lead on Propstream, and with the List Automator feature that I just showed you all, it lowers that down to 10 cents a lead. And Propstream is probably one of the best quality skip tracing services out there. So at 10 cents a lead, with this List Automated feature, it's definitely a deal and something that I'm using currently in my business. But with do not call, basically, let's say you skip trace a list of numbers of contacts, and what they'll do, they'll just scrub it through against the do not call list registry. And if any numbers show up, they'll put in parentheses, do not call, and I'll show you all that soon. And so, yeah, so that's essentially what they offer here. Our Propstream skip trace DNC flags also includes, known litigators, so like the federal and state do not call lists, government numbers, attorney numbers, anti-telemarketing groups, plaintiffs, and other things like that. So it's just pretty good to have that feature in Propstream. So now I'm going to show you all how to import a list to get it skip traced. So what you're going to do, you're going to go over here and you're going to click My Properties. And then from here, what I want you to do is go to marketing list right here. You're going to click the plus button and you're going to click add marketing list, right? Or add a folder, and you can name it whatever you want to do. So I can name it biz. All right. So now the list is created. So then I have this option right here to import a list. And the reason why I have that is because I'm paying for that add-on service of the List Automator feature. So I can click list, import list, and they have some ones that I just did, and I'm just going to show you all how to do that. But essentially, you just choose a file, you download a file using like a CSV format or an Excel format. So I downloaded my list from Google Sheets. I downloaded a CSV version of it, and then I imported it into here. And then it may take a few minutes in order for it to populate, but this is essentially the list that I was able to get imported into Propstream, right? And so next, after that, where you go to the skip tracing page right here. And so from here, you select your contacts, and you see it's only 10 cents now since I have List Automator enabled on my account. And then I will go down here, and let's say this is the list that I just created. So I'll just click this right here. And then from there, it's loading all this information. I'm adding selected contacts. I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to click this box right here. You have to make sure you click this box so it can include all the contacts. So you click that, and then you click done, right? And then you just follow the different features, the different ways. It's going to show you the price of everything, and then you go from there. And then once that is done, it will show up on your contacts tab right here. Okay, so you click contacts, and then you go to your skip tracing list right here. And then they skip trace all of these contacts for me. They have emails and the different things. And you see that some of them have this DNC. So this DNC is just notifying that these numbers are on the do not call list. So once you upload this list into your phone dialer account or anything like that, you can just let your caller know, or you would know, hey, when I hit this number, I'm just going to skip it, or just delete this number altogether. Because once you export this list, you can upload it to your phone account. So that's essentially how you would do all of that. I hope everything was clear. I showed you all exactly which of the tabs to use. You go to settings to add this feature. You go to my properties to create the folder and then import a list. And then you go to skip tracing. You select your contacts. Remember, like, this was a little bit confusing when I first did it, because you have to get your list, and then you have to click this add selected contacts, and then from there you have to check this box right here, and then you can be done to do that. And the reason why I didn't go further is because I don't need a list to be skip traced right now, and it would just take a good amount of time, and I would have to blur out like my credit card information and things like that. So don't really want to do that. And then from there you go to contacts, and then you go to your skip tracing list that you just skip traced. And usually this would take time too in order to populate and whatnot, because they're skip tracing, so it may take like a few minutes to skip trace. And I did this probably an hour ago, and they finished like within 30 minutes or less. So it's relatively quick. It doesn't take so long. All right, I hope you all enjoyed this straight to the point video of how to import a list into Propstream. Yes, I know it's an extra cost, but if you need that feature, just consider that. I think it's relatively cheap, knowing that it doesn't only allow you to import lists, but you can also just make sure your lists stay up to date on a daily basis by using that, List Automator feature that they have on my properties tab. All right, you all, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and let me know if you all have any questions. All right, peace.